하려고 저거 포트레이 스펠레이션 저거지
Metroid Dread.
신나사지 똥은 올라 동네야에 성적까지라로서 ko masanak po spili misin kumina kamisirik na kaya kako na kumari mo ni siyak lungo.
Metroid, a virulent floating organism that drained energy from its prey through physical contact. Metroids were originally created by the Chozo and named after their word for ultimate warrior. Their value as a bioweapon sparked several crises, and as a result all traces of them have been eliminated. They are now extinct. X-parasite, a gelatinous parasitic organism indigenous to the planet State Route 388. It could absorb the DNA of its host, living or dead, and replicate its form when infecting a living host. It could even access the host's memories. X-parasites were driven not by emotion but by an instinctive need to replicate and spread to increasingly stronger hosts. Their inability to be controlled marked them as even more dangerous than their sole predator, the Metroids. Like the Metroids, they are believed extinct. With no Metroids surviving on State Route 388, it became infested with the X-horrifying parasites capable of imitating any living being. Unaware of this, I set foot on the planet, got infected, and almost died. The only thing that saved me was a vaccine created from Metroid DNA, which also left me uniquely able to oppose the X. This ability was tested immediately when I went to a biologic space laboratories (BSL) research station to investigate a distress signal. There I battled many powerful X forms, including the Saw X, which was the X mimicking me in my power suit at full strength. I eventually eliminated the X menace on State Route 388 by setting the BSL research station on a collision course with the planet. After that, the X and Metroids were just memories, or so we thought. Just when it all seemed over, the Galactic Federation received a mysterious video transmission. It showed an X alive and in the wild. Thorough analysis proved the video was real. Although the sender was unknown, the transmission was traced to a particular planet. It was called ZDR. If the X had somehow escaped extinction out there, they would pose a threat to the entire galaxy. The Galactic Federation dispatched a research team of 7 EMMI to investigate. Corporation, and EMMI is a large research robot designed to capture field samples and extract their DNA. Their incredible mobility and protective plating, made of the strongest stuff in the universe, practically guaranteed the mission's success. But not long after their arrival on ZDR, all communication was lost. What is happening on ZDR? Is the planet really infested with X? As the only one immune to the parasites, it's up to me to go there and find out.
Sa takiro, spiliari ko tango nang namo na pisiani ko nga. Pero edi sino ka na magkamasanaks. Ida.
We'll soon be entering ZDR's atmosphere.
appropriate. The risk clearly outweighs the reward. Treat our lost assets with care, lady.
Entering the atmosphere in T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That elevator leads to the depths of an underground facility. Signal quality is likely to be low. Remote communication remains using people. Try to connect to the facility's network when you reach the bottom. That way, you can remain in contact. Any objections, lady?
Animasyon이 다 독하다 비슷해. 오케이. 스필리아리 있고 다 약파시구나. Understand. Okay.
Uploading data.
So, you've accessed a network station. Well done, Samus. I have reviewed your vital signs and video log from the data you uploaded. I've run a full analysis, but I cannot account for why you lost consciousness. My readings indicate dramatic physical changes in you. Whatever caused these changes seems to have stripped you of most abilities. You might call it physical amnesia. That brings me to your assailant. I am checking the Federation database against your video log. It appears to have been a Chozo. The attacker's identity is not yet clear. I have determined that you are somewhere within the depths of ZDR. Your top priority should be to return to your ship on the surface. This situation is precarious. Trust your instincts as you navigate upward. This planet appears to consist of multiple areas. Shuttles, elevators, and other modes of transport connect them. Keep an eye out for ways to reach the surface. The ship's location is marked on your global map. Check it for yourself. You may encounter pockets of low temperature. Your Metroid DNA renders you vulnerable to such environments. Spending time in cold areas will be harmful to you. There are many such cold areas scattered underground. Do not enter them with your basic power suit. One final thing. Underground interference is preventing radio transmissions. Check in with me at any network stations you find.
Okay. Ah. Not now, Kiko. Okay. 가방 왜 이렇게 쓰나? Okay. Sorry? Okay. Hitsertsiussutaata kussusnalaavissa. Nanusuna. Saukles. Syrjään nattaa jammangan vaan. Sorry. Kutang na sulisungin di kong inako. Charging off bisa ka na.
Uploading data.
Both enemy you encountered were clearly trying to capture you. They may have been hacked. If so, it's reasonable to assume all enemy will be hostile. Enemy send out a pulse to detect vibrations in the air within a certain range. Essentially, they can hear you. Upon detecting vibrations, an enemy enters surveillance mode to track their source. Stay out of its line of sight when this happens. Otherwise, the danger to you increases dramatically. An enemy that has seen you will begin pursuit. zone exits, you will be trapped inside. To survive, you must leave its range of pursuit, evade the enemy, and it will disengage. This will also unseal the exits. An enemy never leaves its assigned zone. Their control system must permit them to operate only within that range. I estimate a 99% probability of death if an enemy captures you. There may be a very small opportunity to escape, but exploiting this window will be virtually impossible. The enemy are immune to your current weapons. You lack the unique energy used to defeat the first enemy. Your only option now is to evade capture and find an exit. Your highest priority in an enemy zone should be simply to survive.
Ako sinisok kaya gusto mo yan. Nabitaw yung yun. Mataptosang matapitakas. Ako chikawan. Inang niyak pa singunak pudas yung marasok tilso ni. Amalati. Ducks. Siya. Nami. That's okay. Pip. Maria pula tungan di sukau tuan. please. Hawak mo kakang deh. Nagtiran. Ay! Okay. Natakakuradong kakao. Up. Ayah. How? Enough! Bagus. Oke. Dabah. Kano sumbertak pa? Tekanan nila ako yun. Ano po rin mga? Kung nasisustong ano? No. Bagus. Syukur may bunga. Not now! Nakagsak ako. Ang reaksi mo nga. Wala ito nga nagtapos. No. Ah! Ah! Why? Okay. 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 Terry. Sorry. Ito na pala itong ano kakakta kaya kas. Si kuat kita tadi. Nak pun kawa. 돌아가니까. 자, 봐봐. Nakayarak pa tao yun. Don't be shy. Minus. Kunin mo sila action. Relax. Ahasu리. So, nakakapos ito ko na sinastong pa sinaksak mas tabmas ba ito siyang tagus. Okay.